We're here in Johannesburg shooting for BMW South Africa. We've managed to sneak the MD's personal limited edition M1, and we're here in a little alleyway filled with graffiti art. Let's see what we can get. We've brought along a Kupo car rig grip set. This basically allows us to have a boom off the car, shoot wide angle and get a blurred background while keeping the car pin sharp. Basically it's a very slow speed shot, so we're actually going to roll the car in neutral at a fairly low shutter speed. I'm going to shoot it from my phone on the Canon app. It allows me to shoot wirelessly, so I can actually control the shot from my phone. Don't have to keep running back to the camera, check the settings. The image is upside down, obviously, because the camera is upside down, but it helps us get the camera lower on the Kupo rig. So we're ready to shoot. The M1's an amazing car. It's got such aggressive lines, such a compact vehicle. So we're done with our shoots in the alleyway, and we just did a quick little check of the photographs, and I must say I'm super happy with what we've achieved here.